red color, deep pink color, light blue color, turquoise color, yellow color, brown color, purple color, light pink color, orange color, deep blue color and deep green color. I will use all the colors in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw lipstick with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and let's see. This will be a beautiful lipstick. Follow me and try to draw with me. I know all the baby girls love lipstick. They want to use it because they always see mama is using lipstick. But do you know kids, this is not good for your skin because your skin is very soft and the lipstick contains different types of chemicals. So this is not good for your skin. You should use only soft lip balm or baby lip balm. When you will grow up, you will definitely use lipstick. There are different colors of lipstick. Here I will draw 4 different colors of lipstick. So let's see how I color all the lipstick. I finished to draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here brush pen color. You can use any kinds of color as you like. First one I'm using red color. This is a red lipstick. Here I'm using turquoise color. And now I'm using deep blue color. I'm using here deep pink color. This is a deep pink lipstick. Now I'm using orange color. And here I'm using purple color. I'm using here brown color. This is a brown color lipstick. Let's use the yellow color. And this is deep green color. Now I'm using light pink color. This is a light pink color lipstick. Here I'm using light blue color. And the last one I'm using turquoise color. Wow, all the lipstick are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. I will be back with a new video. Bye bye.